What's the meaning of align? Align. 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 Align.
Align means to adjust or arrange something in a straight line or in the correct position relative to something else. It can also mean to bring different elements into agreement, compatibility, or harmony. The result of aligning something is that it becomes straight, orderly, and properly positioned, allowing for greater efficiency and accuracy. In interpersonal or organizational contexts, aligning people, goals, or values can lead to better communication, cooperation, and overall success. Overall, aligning involves ensuring that things are properly organized, coordinated, and in agreement with each other.